Delaney, you have to only go to the houses that have lights on.
Yeah. Let's go to the next one, honey.
This one might be open.
Delaney, you have to wait for your sisters and brother. Sister and brother.
Oh, this one's ready.
Oh, this is Annie and Al.
Cool.
Get it. You can come up the front way. Oh, there's the front way? Hurry,
The door's open.
Come on, JT, go with the girls.
Oh.
Follow your sisters. Go on, buddy.
Keep going. Keep going all the way to the door. I'll watch you.
Come on. Okay.
JT, what are you going to say? Trick or treat? Come on, JT. Go on, JT.
Did you ring the doorbell? Good.
JT, say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Oh,
Hi, Annie.
hello.
Go get some dinner, Jessie.
JT, say trick or treat.
He's ready.
Oh! JT, say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a thank you. It says like that, thank you. Yeah. It's like Mom. You look like exactly.
Now, JT, say woohoo.
Now he's excited. I said trick or treat. You say trick or treat? How old is he? He's 19
19 months,
now.
yeah.
He's getting big, huh? What's that? Oh, your earring? Those are my earrings. My pumpkin earrings, yeah. That's cute. You want some more?
Oh, boy.
Oh, say thank you.
Thank you. Oh, we're going to go to Julie's house.
You walk around. Let's give you some more.
Come on, let's go see. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. All right.
Good
Good
job.
job.
Yeah.
Put it in here. Put it in your bag. Good job.
Hey, JT, what'd you get? Candy? Yeah. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. Let me get it on tape first. Hold on. Gotta make sure the tape...
Ooh. We better go.
Wait a minute. There's a hand in there. Did you guys see the hand? I think they're going to flip it open. Maybe they're going to flip it open when they walk by. Okay, girls, come on.
It's good thing JT doesn't have any sense of
Wait, what is that, a witch? Skeleton witch. Oh, look at, they got ghosts in the garage.
Oh, we don't have our pumpkins out.
Oh. Okay. It's not very scary.
Okay, Julie, you're only supposed to have one pumpkin.
Look at that pumpkin has
Julie's
glasses
one we
eyes.
carpool with.
Oh. Don't get your... Ring the doorbell. Ring the doorbell, somebody.
JT, say trick or treat. Ring the doorbell, JT.
Over there, Lane.
Right there.
JT.
Remember the daddy's name is Sal, right?
Turn around, you guys, real quick. JT. What do you say, JT?
Hi.
Trick or treat, hello. There you go. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about you get some?
Can you
put that in your bag? Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Trick or treat.
Thank you.
Bye.
I already said thank you.
Very good.
Oh,
This is a Halloween night, isn't it?
well, their house is scary every year.
There we go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, there's even a handprint on the door.
Did you get a picture of these?
Yeah.
Right, lady, let's go.
Oh, Julie, the way, Julie.
You know who?
Looked like a relative of Sal, huh?
Maybe, yeah.
That's Julie's friend.
Oh.
Well, Julie's friend was the one that was with Julie. I thought that was Julie's sister or something. She looked just like her.
This is a pretty house. Do you have any
This house,
theories?
I don't even know the name.
Yeah, there's a girl your age here, honey.
No, she moved.
Oh, see? Maybe the ghost of that girl who your age is here. Well, I don't like people to be able to see in my garage like that.
Do you ring the doorbell? Yes.
Close that.
JT, you gotta remember to say thank you, JT. Not yet, after they give you the candy.
Trick or treat, I'm gonna shut the door so I have cats. You just got us coming in. Oh, you look wonderful, and the princesses are beautiful. Lollipops?
Oh, yeah, he does.
Oh, what do you say, JT?
Thank
All right. Would you like a lollipop?
Thank you.
You didn't get one. All right, you're welcome.
JT, say thank you.
How are you doing? Good, good.
JT, say thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay! Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Here. This is so spooky, Dad, because Joey's house is spooky every year.
Yeah, I know.
Last year was even scarier. Because there was like
Left
people
side.
at the-
This way. This way, Lainey. That's the right side. Oh, boy, I guess you wouldn't be able to tell. Delaney. Give me a smile. Yay. Okay.
Joey's is the scariest house ever.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's not really.
What spider? The snail?
Okay, go there, JT. You got a pair of puppies out. You ring the doorbell? Don't forget about me. Don't forget about me.
Last year, huh?
Thank you.
Yummy, yummy.
Thank you.
Good boy.
You guys have fun.
Bye-bye. See ya.
That's his thank you when he kisses.
This isn't our house. Okay, well, we'll trick or treat our house. Now we have our bed, okay? Well, guys, we have to go all the way around.
We're going to go see Joe and Kim. They should be out with their baby. Oh, that's not Joe and Kim.
The next one is,
Oh, their lights are off.
so we can't trick or treat. We can't trick or treat Joe and Jim. Hold on.
Joe and Kim.
Joe and Kim. Okay, there you go. It's like your house. It's not our house. But it actually is.
Go, say trick or treat.
Let's arrange it. Trick or treat. It's back ready, Kenzie.
Trick or treat. Alright, get out of my way. Okay.
Oh my, it's JT.
honey.
Oh, he's
Thank
giving
you.
her that.
You deserve it.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Wait, let me take a picture of him with his candy.
You got the candy?
Oh, I can't see him.
JT, what's your candy? Show mommy your candy. Show mommy your candy.
He's like, I need bigger hands.
Julie's
Oh,
house.
didn't get it.
job.
Wait, just stay there. Stay there. Scariest house every year.
JT, show Mom. What do you got? JT.
Here.
Your Papa can come.
Oh, good.
Keep running time. Papa. Joey, please take a peek.
Sweet chocolate.
That her house was the scariest house you've ever seen.
Really?
Uh-huh.
See what's up here.
Oh, that real one? It's so scary.
Trick or treat, say JT, say trick or treat.
Oh, he's having a blast.
Is he?
He needs bigger hands.
He pushes the girls away.
He's behind him. The people can't even see him. He's behind the girls. He's trying to push his way through, and he finally gets the way through, and he reaches up and just...
This has
Oh, a bat.
Oh. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Yeah.
Did you ring the doorbell, hon? Yeah. Good job. Trick or treat.
Let's try that one more time.
Hi.
What did he do?
Tried to run in the house.
Oh,
I'm going to sneak in front of you.
go ahead.
Get out of my way.
What's that scary?
Oh,
Thank
cookies.
When you step right there, it makes a noise.
Wow.
Step it right there, Julie.
Thank you.
Oh my.
Come on, Titi. Oh, just one. Just one.
Michelle had. Oh yeah, those little spiders are so cute.
Chichi's like, where's that? No,
Thank you.
Chichi, say thank you. Say thank
Say
you.
thank you.
Yes, that's right there.
Say thank you.
Chichi, say thank you.
What is that?
Okay, my sweetheart. Oh, me there.
Well, that's a bomb. They had
Kenzie, stay there.
all decorated and everything.
Yeah. Maybe then they can take them out. Oh, later,
Yeah.
are you looking?
Yeah, we'll go to
In the middle of
Shauna's.
the street, honey.
Across the street. Smell my feet.
Trick or treat.
I'm going to go do one more over here.
Lainey, come on.
We're going to just do the one across the street. Okay, Ken, wait a sec for your brother and sister. They can go ahead. Wow, look at you
Wow.
You got some army guys in a pool, huh? Go up there with those kids. Go up with those kids.
Go on behind him.
Come on. Come on, JT. Trick or treat.
Let's let them look.
Oh my God, you guys are so good. Take as many as you want. Here. Take as many as you
Say
want.
trick or treat.
I like it.
Let's say trick or treat. Come on. Trick or treat. Oops.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go.
Let's
Let's
Hi,
go get
Shauna's.
kids.
All right, let's get to you guys. You look so beautiful.
Come on,
Oh
Nikki.
my God.
This is a baby. I don't think you've seen
No,
her.
Oh, look at that. No, just one, JT.
Take more. Take more. It's okay.